Thanks for coming back. Now, today we're going to talk about intelligent solar because there really has been a massive change, as you're probably aware, in solar power and in monitoring and in controls over the last 6 months. So we're here today, I'm going to talk to you about the Trina Honey Intelligent Panel. Now, they don't call this the Trina Smart Panel for nothing. This panel has intelligence built in to every single module. On the back of the panel, there is a small unit called an optimizer. So these panels have an optimizer built into every panel. Now, let me tell you what that does. In a normal situation with solar, with unoptimized panels, if one panel in a string of panels gets a shading on it or gets dirty, the whole panel, array of panels loses some of its performance. With optimized panels, every single panel, the optimizer makes that panel perform at its ultimate maximum output all the time. That's a huge advantage. Now, this is a similar advantage to what we've previously discussed with microinverters, except with optimizers, you also have the benefit of A, it's cheaper, and B, your entire array is still DC voltage, so that later on, if you want to add batteries, the power in your fuse board has got DC ready to add your battery bank. Let me tell you a little bit about the Tigo optimizers that are built into these fantastic Trina Smart panels. Optimization provides you a number of fantastic benefits, and here is a screenshot you'll see with the benefits of optimization. Number one, with optimization, every single panel, as I've said, puts out the most power that it can. It's maximised. It's good for shade tolerance. You've got an enhanced energy yield on every panel, and they're very flexible. Now, safety is a fantastic thing. With the optimised panel, every panel can be deactivated. You can shut down a panel if there's a fault. You can shut down the entire system remotely if there's a fault. Not that there'll often be one, but should there ever be a fault, that shutdown benefit is fantastic. And thirdly, your monitoring. Every single panel has monitoring. So what you'll see, if we go to the next screenshot, you'll see that with individual panel monitoring, what you have is that you can dial in on your laptop, your smartphone, and you can see your entire system performance. You can see what every single panel's doing. You can see in the screenshot here that there's one panel in the middle of the array which is not producing. It's dirty or it's got a fault and it's showing 0 watts. That means we can go straight to that panel, rectify that problem. So it's a fantastic thing to have your system monitored. That's the smart solution. So Trina Smart, monitored, optimized, all of the benefits that you could get from a really intelligent panel. You've probably seen the Immersun video I've made. If not, go and have a look at it, because the intelligent controller that can send your solar power to your appliances, to your hot water cylinder, combined with the Trina Smart panel, we really have the smart solution. So thanks for touching base again. Look out for our next video. We'll be back. Thanks for visiting SolarKing.